Listen.
Repeat.
Master English Skills 2024.
Listen.
Hello, I'm Peter.
Repeat.
Listen.
How are you, Peter?
Repeat.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. What's this? It's a hotel. It's a bottle of perfume. It's a taxi. It's a passport. It's a bag. It's a suitcase. It's a box. It's a box of chocolates. Where is Simon? He is in the garden. She is in the garden. Where are Zhang and Brian? They are in the garden. He's in the school. He is in the car. She is in the kitchen. She's in the classroom. They are in the restaurant. Is this the airport? Yes, this is the airport. Is this the museum? Yes, this is the museum. Is this the coffee shop? Yes, this is the coffee shop. Is this the double room? Yes, this is the double room. Is this the waiting room? Yes, this is the waiting room. Is this the dining room? Yes, this is the dining room. Is this the bathroom? Yes, this is the bathroom. Is this the single room? Yes, this is the single room.